tired of constantly replacing ink cartridges? With the Brother INKvestment Tank printer, you can enjoy up to 1 full year of printing without changing ink. That means uninterrupted productivity and serious savings on ink costs right out of the box. What sets this printer apart is the innovative INKvestment Tank system. Unlike traditional cartridges, these re-engineered cartridges hold more ink and feed a continuous supply into an internal tank. This design keeps your printing smooth and hassle-free, so you can focus on what matters. Managing your printer has never been easier thanks to the free Brother Mobile Connect app. From your smartphone, you can print, scan, copy, and check ink levels through a simple, user-friendly interface. It puts the power of printing literally at your fingertips, no more guessing or complicated menus. Speaking of guessing, the Brother Page Gauge removes the mystery around ink usage. This visual and numerical gauge shows exactly how much ink you've used and what's left. It's a practical feature that helps you plan ahead and avoid unexpected interruptions. Brother's genuine INKvestment Tank ink cartridges are engineered specifically for this system. Whether you choose standard or high-yield cartridges, you're guaranteed optimal performance and print quality. The printer supports models like LC406BK, LC406C, LC406M, LC406Y, and their high-yield counterparts, ensuring you always get reliable results. Users across the United States praise this printer for its value and convenience. One highlight is the two-tray design, which includes a rear feed slot perfect for thicker cardstock or specialty papers. This flexibility makes it ideal for a variety of projects, from professional documents to creative crafts. If you want a printer that minimizes downtime and maximizes ease of use, the Brother INKvestment Tank system is worth a look. It's designed to save you money and time while delivering consistent, high-quality prints every time. Ready to upgrade your printing experience? Explore the Brother INKvestment Tank printer and enjoy up to a year of no ink replacement, smart mobile control, and dependable performance. Try it when you're ready to print smarter and stress-free.